a collab.
Right.
Those are straight from Nike. But I had the first one. Those were a collab. Now I got another collab. Got a dog on set now. You know what I'm saying? He's been pretty good though. We don't see this box too much here.
Not at all.
No, we don't see this box here.
This is okay.
This is a Packer Reebok collab. You saw these already? You think? Either way, this is. I'll let you get those out of there.
I knew it. I knew it.
Clean.
I knew it. I saw these. I looked at these. These are nuts.
It's a very clean shoe, man.
Nuts.
It's a beautiful shoe.
So, first and foremost, the thing that made these so dope to me when I saw them online on the Packer site was how they played the R and the Reebok in the window. Because these are the classics, right? These are the original Reebok classics. You know, every kid had these at some stage in their life as a young person. When they
I used to get a pair. I don't remember in the military. I used to get a pair every summer. Yeah. The white and blue joints.
The white and blue joints.
Yep.
I was about to say, the white and blue is the standard.
Yep.
Right? But these, man, it's some details to this that just don't show up online. Mm-hmm. You don't see that. First and foremost, let's go to something that is very important to note. These have to be the softest shoestrings
you've
ever felt. I don't even know what these are.
I don't either, yo. I don't either.
It's not like a French terry cloth. It's not like a ribbon.
I don't know what this is. It's crazy.
It's crazy. And so are they okay, so they are white.
Yeah, they're white with a little off, you know what I'm saying?
So
white
then you got these cream accents all around the sneaker.
Yep.
You got the cream on the upper part of the sole. Mm-hmm. You've got cream for the tongue. Mm-hmm. You've got cream in this window.
Yep.
And then you've got the 2 or 3 burgundy pieces on the entire sneaker.
Yes.
The again with this
terry cloth,
terry cloth bath towel action here.
Yep. On the inside of the tongue is terry cloth too.
Come on, son. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that. With the padded tongue. Mm-hmm. And then you've got they don't even write the whole. See, when I looked at it online, maybe in my own brain, I saw the rest of the Reebok word.
You didn't. In my mind, when I saw them online, I was like, does it say Reebok? Like, is it kind of like
hinted? I just thought it was, the rest of it was written there, but there's nothing here. There's just the R. But then the top of the R they did with the burgundy with the P for Packer.
Yes, sir.
Packer shoes, which is a sneaker store out of Jersey.
Great job, Packer.
Great job.
Great
you've got
job.
You've got the insole, which is gray.
Yep, along with
leather.
Mm-hmm.
Or
that's terry cloth too. That's terry cloth too.
That's terry cloth also.
That's terry cloth too. It's a plush situation with these.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call a soft walker.
Right.
This is a Bobby Brown, a soft walker right here. They did a fantastic job on the tongue with the Reebok tab blending in. So all you see is just the burgundy classic.
Classic.
Everything else is written there, but it's all white.
Multiple types of leather. You see the crushed leather.
We making our way there.
Jumping around a little bit.
You all over.
My bad.
So we get to the heel. You get the tab on the heel. You get the Reebok sign on the side, and then you get. So those 3 are this soft butter leather. Mm-hmm. It's a different texture. Then you've got the toe area, which comes like the base of the shoe that has the stitching in it, and that's just a smooth leather. Then you get the extra padding around the toe, and that is a different, it's a little more rugged, but it's still butter. But it's not the butter that's here. It's a different butter there.
It's a little different. Let me see this shoe real quick. They're different. I just realized that just now, son. It's flipped.
Son of a motherless.
I just noticed it just now. They flipped the leathers.
So on this one, everything I pointed out here is the exact opposite here. Yup, because here is the butter leather that's on the side.
Yep.
The smooth
Yeah,
leather
when you were
here,
describing it, I was like, no, what are
that's
you
not
talking about?
right. The smooth leather here is what's here. On this, that's
Packer. Yes,
Live
yes.
hand
Live hand clap Packer.
Let's give you Packer a
That's
live
dope.
hand.
I
That
just
is
noticed that. I just got them in this
amazing.
morning though, so come on. What do you expect from me? Come on.
I love that the only two things gray on this entire thing is the insole and the lower sole.
Yep. Yeah, man. I'm very happy with these.
But then the raw. Okay, so here's something that's really interesting. I like the gray, and I like the other little thing that they did. The raw edges on the leather.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Add to the feel that there's gray in the sneaker.
You're right. Yep. That's another.
So
that's a
it
great observation.
it gives the appearance of a gray stripe or gray piping where there is none, but that's just because the leather is raw at the end of this. Golly, that's a fantastic job. These are much more spectacular in person.
They did a great job, man. They did some. It's not a luxury shoe per se, but the way they put this together, they put some thought into it for
There's
sure.
some padding in here.
Yeah, it's a lot of padding.
Yeah.
The leather is premium. So yeah, man,
Yeah.
it's a very nice Reebok. My first pair of Reeboks in a long time.
Yeah. And so I looked at them. I loved them. I thought they were crazy dope. Obviously, I had no intention on ever getting them because for some reason, man, I don't like the way these look on my foot.
Reebok
Yeah.
Classics. Yeah, I get it.
But these are crazy.
I'm gonna do something with them.
These are crazy, man.
Yeah, I got plans for these.
That's that burgundy. Yeah.
Yep. Good stuff, man.
Your wedding sneaker, those are the same
Colorway.
colors, right?
Yep. Same colorway.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So yeah, I'm
Off-white pops, man.
gonna do some of these. You probably know of a
Like
little
everything in
little,
twos.
little fly high shirt that might rock with these a little bit.
I know the reason for them. Son. I am interested to see if that really matches up as well as I think it does.
Not exact, but it doesn't matter.
I mean, we're talking top to bottom. That's what I'm saying. As well as I think it does from here to there. Yeah,
Yep.
that's tough, man.
Yeah, man.
Those are tough.
That's what we're doing out here, baby.
Yeah.
Collab season.
Yeah.
Packers. Shout out to Packers. Shout out to Undefeated. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Neighborhood. Some dope joints, man, today.
Yeah.
Good time, man. That's where
It
we
is.
at. That's what it is.
It
Unboxing, man. We back. We maybe a little bit back in business. I don't know.
You know, I'd like to do something real quick. This happened before, but I think it's worth discussing.